Guys, Charlie Kirk, we must discern these things, what's going on. It's a fake, it's a remake of Jesus Christ's resurrection. This guy died, yes, and then he was brought alive again on all media with new messages and you name it. 1 John 4, Beloved, do not believe every spirit, but test the spirits, whether they are of God, because many false prophets have gone out of this world. But this you know, the Spirit of God, every spirit that confesses that Jesus Christ has come in the flesh of God, and every spirit that does not confess that Jesus Christ has come in the flesh is not of God. And this is the spirit of the Antichrist, which you have heard was coming and now it's already in this world. You are of God, little children, and have overcome them, because he who is in you is greater than he who is in the world. They are of the world, therefore they speak as of the world. As jy die aanhangers van hom, hulle gee, dan dink jy, dit staan nie in die woord regtig nie. We are of God because he who knows God hears us. He who is not of God does not hear us. By this we know the spirit of truth and the spirit of error. Mense kan gaan verder lees van vers 7 af. Dit is skokkend, maar dit is eintlik so opgewonde. Dis die laaste stukkie, die wêreld gaan ons haat, want hulle het vir Christus eers gehaat, maar dit moet ons opgewonde maak, want ons gaan uiteindelik huis toe binnekort. Ek stuur liefde en groete.